So I'm out here on my pontoon boat, and I just bought a new Bimini for it that I bought on Amazon, and I'll show you the one that's on it right now. It's kind of got some holes in it, and it's seen better days, so I'm going to replace this one with the one I purchased off Amazon. I'm not going to show you how to install it. It's pretty easy. It's just 4 zippers that go into there, so I'm going to toss it on, and I'll zip it up real quick and show you what it looks like. So here's my Bimini right now. You can see that the zippers in the middle are ripped out of it, and there's a couple of holes in it and stuff like that. So I just got to unzip this one and put the new one on. All right, so this top fit pretty good. I just put it on, and what I did is I started with the front right here, and then I brought the back up. I kind of folded it up, and what was happening was my old top, the middle supports here were ripped out, so that there was no way to zipper in the bows. And they kept falling down on people. I didn't want anybody to get hurt. And I ordered this one on Amazon. They said it would fit. So I measured my bows from that side to that side. I got my measurement, and I measured the length when the frame was fully up, and fit right on there pretty good. And they have it labeled, front. There's a tag on it that says this is the front, so you can't really screw it up. And there's a provision in the back for a light too. I've got to put a new light on this boat. But they just zipper right in, just like factory. This is a real nice top. I'll show you the back of it. So there's a spot for the light right there. I've got to center it a little bit better and put my new light on it. And here's what the top looks like. It's real nice. And I needed a bag too, and the top came with the bag. It came with the boot. So when the top is folded up, you can put this boot on and zipper it in, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions about this top, let me know. Drop a comment. I'll reply back to you guys. And I'll put a link in the description of this video over to this top on Amazon.